What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Summers and Drinks video. As you can see, guys, we're going to do a shooter today. So I fancy it's nice and sunny outside, why not another summer themed drink? And this time it's going to be the shooter versions of the Surfers Club, and I will show you guys how to make it. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, it's a free combination to make the Surfers Club. So it's Cocoa Canoe, which is a coconut rum, so it's going to be 1 ounce or 30ml of coconut rum. I'm going to say for the blue curacao it's going to be 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce. And the last ingredient is citric acid dilution, which I'll talk a little bit more now. So for the citric acid dilution, it's an alternative to your citric acid like your lime juices, lemon juices, and it's very economical. It's gonna say with citric acid dilution to make this is citric acid mixed in with filtered water. It's gonna say it's a lot clearer than your lemon juice, lime juice, and you keep using them up and it only lasts a week. It's gonna say with citric acid dilution, it lasts for an entire month, and it's easy to make. Just buy your bag of citric acid, big bag of it, about 700 grams, and then mix in with filtered water. So to make this, what I've done is 10 grams of citric acid mixed in with 350ml of filtered water, and then blended it to mix it in, and there it is. It's a massive cost saving, keep going through lemons and limes, so that is a little tip for you guys. So let's get straight into this video now. So I will show you guys how to make the Surfers Club. So first into the tin is 30ml or 1 ounce of coconut rum. I'm using Cocoa Canoe. I just love this brand. It's really nice. I've done it a bit. Next up, guys, 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce of blue curacao. The last ingredient, guys, is 7.5ml, 1/4 ounce of citric acid dilution, or you can use lemon juice if you wish. But like I said, this is my little tip here. Use citric acid dilution. It will save you a bit of money over time. Now put your lid on and give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilling. Last thing to do now is strain into a shot glass. And there we go, guys, one Surfers Club. So with the Surfers Club, it's a perfect summer drinks race, because it gets the party started and make 4 of these, and it really does get the fun started. Nice summer themed shooter this, because it's just perfect for the summer, perfect for the party. Let's get this party started. How does it taste? It's a Surfers Club. I think it'd make a really nice cocktail. Make a cocktail version of the Surfers Club. I think it'd really suit it. I said, well, that's really nice. Because one way of describing it, guys, is it's like there's a party in my mouth and everyone is invited. That's how I can describe it. It's really nice. I really enjoy it, and get a few of those down, yeah, and it's totally get the party started. But remember, as always, do drink responsibly and take it nice and calm and just enjoy. But like, guys, is the Surfers Club shooter or shot. But I hope you do enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. It really does help the channel grow. And don't forget to share it if you wish, because I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys by my next summer themed cocktail, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Cheers.